Tired of dead work? Copying data, posting to multiple platforms, and manually updating reports can be automated perfectly by a computer without writing a single line of code. Meet n8n, your free digital plumber. It connects apps seamlessly, triggers actions automatically based on events, transforms data, and uses built-in nodes to make complex decisions on the fly. n8n is the ultimate winner in the automation showdown. While Zapier and Make have limitations, n8n is free if you self-host, open source, and includes built-in AI, code nodes, and is self-hostable. There are two ways to start with n8n. The easiest is n8n Cloud, which offers a free tier. The most powerful is self-host via Docker, which unlocks unlimited workflows. When navigating the n8n canvas, you'll use nodes, which are the building blocks, connections, trigger nodes to start the workflow, and the execution log for historical tracking. Our first workflow is autolog emails into Notion. Start by adding a Gmail trigger node. Securely connect your account and set a filter so it only triggers on emails containing, quote, invoice. Next, add a Notion node and map the dynamic fields like title and date from the email payload. When you test this workflow, a manual task that took minutes now takes 0 seconds. Workflow 2 is an AI lead qualifier. Add a webhook trigger node and copy its URL. Paste this URL into your form's endpoint settings so submissions flow directly into n8n. Let AI make the decision. Add an HTTP request node to call the Anthropic API. Set the method to post and write a prompt for Claude to classify the lead based on the incoming form data. Add an IF node to set the condition. Response contains hot. If true, use a Slack node to ping your sales team. Otherwise, log all leads into a Google Sheet. Workflow 3 is a social media engine. Start with a schedule trigger node, set to run daily. Then add a Google Sheets node to read the next unposted row from your content calendar. Pass the spreadsheet topic into a Claude AI node. Define strict guidelines in your prompt for tone, length, and format to ensure high-quality professional output. Send the AI-generated text to a LinkedIn post node. Finish with a Google Sheets node to update the row status to posted. Now you have 30 days of social media posts automated. For mastery, use the error trigger for notifications if a flow breaks. Use set nodes to rename and reshape data for cleaner workflows. Finally, use n8n's Credentials Manager for API key security. You can download all 3 workflow templates in the video description. Import the JSON files directly into your n8n canvas. Subscribe for next week's video on top 10 solopreneur templates.